Welcome to our retirement, folks. Oh, okay, sorry.
Did you get me in that?
No.
What David's having to do?
What's he having to do?
He's got to get that old cupboard out.
The whole cupboard?
Yeah,
Honestly?
not all the way across.
Oh.
That end.
That end?
And I mean, it was incredible. So I'm doing tea again.
Right. Well, folks, it's just situations just got...
Expanded.
Hiya.
Look at this.
Is the water off from outside?
Yeah,
No, we haven't turned it off for some reason.
I've got a feeling that it went below that.
It's collecting all in this, yeah.
If that's the thing, the water will come through here and be elbowed up, and then an elbow across. So if I turn that off, I should be able to take that one out, unless I've got it all wrong.
Still leaking though, so...
So is it coming from above that tap?
Can you see? It's
Yeah.
dripping down there.
Dripping down.
Oh, yeah.
There'll be an elbow above there.
I mean, at the moment we're just letting it drip all down wallpaper and stuff. Here's me trying to save the wallpaper.
Hmm.
From rest of decorating, and we still got a bigger issue now, haven't we?
We're pulling and tugging on that bloody pipe.
But it shouldn't. They take a bit of tug. It shouldn't just come out. It shouldn't just leak.
Right, what we're doing? Because I can't. I've no idea where it's coming from.
Up there in that corner. That's why
Yeah,
I'm putting that support out.
Alright, so have you done it?
No. And all that damp is on the face, so it's coming through this side, dripping down.
I can see it dripping down.
It's me. Am I just in way holding this bucket here?
Yeah.
Or we're just going to have to let it drip? Come on then. I'll take this and rinse this through.
Why not turn it off outside?
David, why aren't you turning it off outside?
Because that should turn it off. The inside feed must be lower than this. That is the turn off for inside. So the feed must be lower. So if I turn that off, it should cut all this out.
It won't, it's not lower, is it? We're underground. It's coming in from
The feed's
up.
lower. The feed's lower.
Is it?
Yeah, with the water pipes that went in, they'll be lower. They don't
How
leave them above ground, do they?
Yeah, but we're underground. This is underground.
And so is the pipes. So are the pipes.
Alright.
He understands.
David understands.
I don't understand, but David does. You don't think that there's any point turning it off outside?
No.
You don't think it'll make
No,
any
what I'll
difference?
do is turn it off there, and then the whole system wants draining.
Meanwhile, I've put the painting on hold.
There's Pat, never deterred. Just carries on like everything's normal. I've got some coffee table with stuff on it in here now. And Tracy, we're up until 5 o'clock. This morning she's just put another coat of grey on this wall here. That's why it looks sort of patchy, because it hasn't dried yet. And she painted up that white, that's grey, that white. Up the stairs, the grey, that's still to dry. And look at David found a leak up there. That joint up there, that leaked. So he had to change that. And then he found the tap, the stopcock, that leaked. So he's had to change that. He's had to rip out this cupboard, this half here, part of the ceiling up there, to get at them. What a mess. Alethea were up until 1 o'clock this morning painting that wall there, white. Oh, every cupboards and stuff's all in here. He had to change that joint up there, that leaked. And then the toilet, when we put that in, when you connect the pipes up, they're all inside there. No idea what's going on. That leaked at first, and I had to take it out, put new grommets in and put it back in, and it seems to be all right. That's all stood in the shower, is that lot. Waiting for carpet fitters to come. Tracy's got to now take up these carpets on the stairs. All that's been replaced today. What a job it's been. What a nightmare yesterday. We had to turn the water off outside on the stopcock on the pavement. Dearie me. We never thought it were going to be like this. Oh. Every step of the way.
We're nearly there.
But Tracy
Alright.
grafted until 5 o'clock to get it all ready.
One of the tiles came up when I was grouting, didn't it? So David put it down.
Bit more grout for
And
that
I'm just
tile.
A bit more grout, yeah.
Yeah.
And then they were thrashing about all night. She said, suppose you were down here.
What, were his lights still on?
No.
Oh, even though with his lights off?
Yeah, because I
Could hear you.
He could hear me and you all were down here.
Mm. He won't know whether he's on this earth or full as either. Pat and Tracy packing all this, taking this carpet up on stairs, taking some getting up. It's your phone. Well, they've got the underlay down. That didn't take long.
You what, love?
Didn't take long to get the underlay
Get
down.
the underlay down now. No.
Mm.
Lovely and thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it's thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, folks, I've just come upstairs to get, get out of the way a bit. They're at it now, laying carpet. Apparently, David intends coming in tonight to put that cupboard back. You know, where he's done repaired leaks. I think Tracy's got some of that stuff that you stick on carpet to protect it. while he does that. I'm still no better with my chest, as you can probably tell. I'm better off at it with hot dust. See you later, folks. This is the underlay. Oh, door. Taking the bathroom door off. They're taking the bathroom door off.
Listen there.
Oh, just pulled it up a little bit there.
What's that, Tracy?
It is done. That's a grey wall there, that's all. It's nice. Grey underneath the banister there. It's looking very nice. We just need to get that sorted out in that corner.